Kentucky really is a fascinating place to live, and it's really a paradise for a geologist. There's so many different aspects to the natural environment of Kentucky that are interesting. I took over as the director of the 14th Kentucky Geological Survey, and really a big motivation for me at that time was to really push hard on helping the state become more resilient to natural hazards. The state had experienced a lot of different extreme weather events. What I'm working on right now is chiefly associated with the CLIMBS project. So CLIMBS is a very large National Science Foundation award that's been made to a number of universities in Kentucky. Ultimately, we want our people to be healthy and safe. We want our infrastructure to be strong. And so we need to get prepared for, extreme weather events that might trigger floods and landslides. It's really important that the CLIMBS project provides funding and opportunities for more education in the geological sciences and the environmental sciences across Kentucky. We really need to develop a workforce that has skills in the geosciences. That's something that's at the moment lacking in the state, and we really need it to build our workforce moving into the future to be, climate ready and hazard ready. My research has impacted the way I train students in a couple of ways. One is that I think it's really important for students to get out in nature and make observations. I'm a field scientist by background. I want them to get out, understand the world that surrounds them, and be able to ask good questions. And then ultimately, critically think through how to solve problems and figure out which tools are best to apply in order to get to a solution. We have a great internship program here at KGS called the Potter Internship. It's a wonderful program where the projects are integrated and students are learning from one another as well as learning from KGS geologists about very relevant geological and environmental issues that face the state. KGS makes data available to the public in a number of different ways. First and foremost, we have a really excellent website that serves data and maps to anyone who's interested. We also have a very active social media campaign. We have a podcast, the Big Blue Rock Pod. The podcast that I participate in was the Geology of Bourbon, which is always sort of a fan favorite topic here in Kentucky. We have a publications office here where we can welcome the public and provide them information directly from one of our libraries. It's really important that we serve data to the public. We want to have the best possible state geologic survey. And one thing I'll mention is that KGS is one of the larger geologic surveys in the nation. It's considered one of the strongest and one of the best, and we want that to grow into the future.